Welcome to Home of Math. Today we will start part 5 and first question is number M. Let's start. Look, here is printing mistake. A should be A square. Okay. So here is A minus 4 divide A square plus 5A plus 4 times A square plus 2A plus 1 divide A square minus 3A minus 4. So first one we can write here is A minus 4 and A square plus 5A plus 4 we can write A square plus 4A plus A plus 4. 4A plus A it means 5A. 4 times 1 means 4 times here is this one we can write A plus 1 whole square. And here is A square minus 4A plus A minus 4, right? Then A minus 4 we can take common A, so A plus 4 plus 1 common, so A plus 4 times here is A plus 1 whole square, and now here we can take common A, so A minus 4 plus 1 common, A minus 4, right? Then A minus 4, here is A plus 4, A plus 4, so A plus 1 times this one we can write A plus 1 times A plus 1 divide we can take common A minus 4, A minus 4. So here is A plus 1. Now look, A minus 4 out, A plus 1 out, here is A plus 1 out. So our answer is 1 divided A plus 4. Okay, easily we solve this problem. Number N. 3x plus 2 divide x square minus 6x plus 8 times x minus 2 divide 3x square plus 8x plus 4. So first 3x plus 2 and here is x square, then minus 4x minus 2x plus 8. Why we write this one minus 4x and minus 2x? It will be minus 6x, and the variable, look, here is coefficient is 4 and 2, so 4 times 2 means 8 times here is x minus 2, so 3 times 4 means 12, so 12, this one we can write 3x square plus 6x plus 2x plus 4. So here 3x plus 2 we can take common x, so x minus 4 minus 2 common, again x minus 4 times x minus 2, so here we can take common 3x, so x plus 2 common, x plus 2, 3x plus 2, and here is x minus 4 times x minus 2, then times x minus 2, then x plus 2 times 3x plus 2, right? So then we can write like this, 3x plus 2 and 3x plus 2 we can out, x minus 2 we can out. So our answer is 1 divided x minus 4 times x plus 2. This is our answer. Okay, so number M and number N we complete successfully. Now number O. Here is a square minus 2a minus 8 divide a square plus 6a plus 8 times a square plus a minus 12 divide 3 minus 3 by 2. So first we can write a square minus 4a plus 2a minus 8. 4 times 2 8, minus 4a plus 2a, it means minus 2a. So similar, a square plus 4a plus 2a plus 8 times a square plus 4a minus 3a minus 12 divide 3 minus 3 by 2. Here we can take common a, so a minus 4 plus 2 common, a minus 4 divide a plus 4 plus 2 common, a plus 4 times a common, a plus 4 minus 3 common, a plus 4 divide 3 minus 3 by 2. Now a minus 4, then a plus 2 divide a plus 4 times a plus 2 times a plus 4 times a minus 3 divide 3 minus 3 by 2, right? Now we have to segregate something, like a plus 2, a plus 2 out, a plus 4 out. Then here is a minus 4 times a minus 3 divided 3 minus 3 by 2. So we can make LCM 3. So here is 2 a minus 4 times a minus 3, then minus the LCM was 6, sorry, it should 6. So here is 2, okay, then 3 times 3. Now look, 2 a square minus 3a minus 4a plus 12 divided 6 minus 9. So 2a square minus, so here is minus 3a minus 4a, it's a 7a, 7a times 2 means 14a plus here is 24 minus 9 divided 6. Now 2a square minus 14a plus 15 divide 6, and this is our answer. Okay, so number O done. Next page we will solve number P.